For over a decade, Earthorex Global has built a legacy of trust in mineral industry, shaped through relentless effort and guided by leaders with over 20 years of industry experience. They have seen shifting tides, challenges, and breakthroughs, yet stayed anchored to one belief: excellence is not an act. It is a habit. Our name defines us, rooted in earth, powered by operations, driven toward global leadership. More than miners, processors, or exporters, we are partners in progress. From ceramics to glass, electronics to cosmetics, from paper to paint and soap to rubber, our minerals empower industries worldwide. Each grain carries our promise of quality. We oversee exceptional lines, ensuring unmatched quality. Our mission is growth with integrity. Our vision is leadership through innovation. Earthorex Global. Earth to excellence.